Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about carbanions. So, carbanion is also a reaction intermediate in organic chemistry, and carbanions are having a negative charge. There is a negative charge on the carb. There is a negative charge on the carbon atom. Now, carbanions are also formed by heterolytic bond cleavage, like carbocations. So, let us understand about that. So, CH3 Li. So here we know that carbon is having more electronegativity than lithium. So if I break this bond by heterolytic bond cleavage, both these electrons will move to carbon. Both these electrons will move to carbon because lithium is having lesser electronegativity than carbon. So carbon is going to get a negative charge and lithium will get a positive charge. So this species is known as a carbanion. This species is known as a carbanion. Now let us discuss on the important points regarding carbanion. And the first point regarding carbanion is how it is formed. It is formed by heterolytic bond fission. Heterolytic bond cleavage. Heterolytic bond cleavage. And the second point is regarding the carbanion, that is it's there is a negative charge on carbon atom. There is a negative charge this sorry negative charge is a negative charge on carbon atom. Negative charge on carbon atom. Okay. And the third point is that it's a reaction intermediate, so obviously it will be unstable. The fourth point regarding carbanion is that it's trivalent. So like carbocations, carbanion is also trivalent. The fifth point is the hybridization. So carbanions have a sp3 hybridization. And the sixth point is the geometry of carbanions. So they have a trigonal pyramidal geometry. So the geometry of carbanion is trigonal pyramidal. Hybridization is sp3. Now let us look at the geometry of carbanion. So the seventh point, the geometry of carbanion. So there is carbon which is making three bonds, and there is a lone pair on this carbon atom, and you have a negative charge. Okay, so this is the geometry of a carbanion. Now the next point is it has a lone pair. So carbanions have a lone pair. So that we will discuss it. We will now magnetic moment of carbanion is equal to the magnetic moment of carbanion is equal to 0. So carbanions have a magnetic moment of 0, and therefore 9 point we can say that they are diamagnetic. Like carbocations, carbanions are also diamagnetic. Now the next point, the 10th point, is that the carbanions are nucleophile. Okay, so they are nucleus loving species, so they are nucleophile. Now the 11th point regarding carbanion, the 11th point is that they are Lewis bases. They are Lewis bases because they can donate electron pair. So carbanions are Lewis bases because they are able to donate their electron pair. Now when we talk about the total number of lone pairs in carbanion, we can say it has one lone pair, and total number of unpaired electrons. So if you are talking about unpaired electrons, we are talking about the unpaired electrons in carbanion, and that is equal to 0. Now if you are talking about the octet, carbanions have complete octet. They have complete octet. Okay, so this is all about carbanions. If you like the video, you please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.